Good day everyone. This is Michael. Today, I want to show on how to upgrade your computer to Windows 11 totally for free. We will also identify whether your device meets the minimum system requirements or not. But if it doesn't, there's a workaround. Yesterday, October 5, 2021, Microsoft officially released Windows 11, and you can now upgrade to the release build. Alright, let's check this out. Before we upgrade to Windows 11, you'll need to check first if your computer is capable of running Windows 11. To find out, go to the following website. I've included a link description down below. Once you land on this website, scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll see a link with the system requirements. You can manually check that, but it's easier if you just download the PC Health Check app. When you run the app and click the Check Now button, it will tell you if your device qualifies or meet the basic requirements. If your computer does not qualify, don't worry. You have 3 different options. The first option, you could simply stay on Windows 10. Microsoft has stated that they are going to continue supporting Windows 10 until 2025. So that's one option, but let's say that you really want Windows 11. You can get Windows 11 even if it states that your hardware is not capable of running it, and the workaround is you download the ISO. When you download the ISO, that will bypass these system requirement checks. So are there any downsides? Well, Microsoft has stated that you might not get security or driver updates if you take this path. Now it could be that Microsoft just said that to limit any liability by saying hey we'll support all PCs, so it's a risk you'll have to take, but there is a path to get Windows 11, and I'll walk you through how you can get the ISO at the end of this video. The last option is to buy a new PC with Windows 11 installed on it. When you upgrade to Windows 11, it will keep all of your apps and files so you shouldn't lose anything. But it's always a good idea to make sure that you have a backup in place. You can simply back up all your files to an external hard drive, or as an alternative and probably the easiest approach is to store it on the cloud, such as Google Drive or Microsoft's OneDrive. With that, now all out of the way, let's upgrade to Windows 11. To upgrade to Windows 11, click on your Start menu, then select Settings, then select Update and Security, and right up at the top you should see whether you can upgrade to Windows 11. Just click on Download and Install, and it will take a few hours to complete the installation, but at the end of that, you'll have Windows 11. If your computer qualifies and yet you don't see a download and install option, or if your computer doesn't meet the requirements, go to this website. I've included a link down below in the description. On this website, you have 3 different options for installing and upgrading to Windows 11. The first one uses an assistant, which I recommend. This is probably the easiest path to take to install Windows 11. The second option allows you to create installation media. So let's say you want to have a USB stick that you can use to install Windows 11 on a machine, you can go down that path. And the third option is to create an ISO. This approach is best when your hardware does not support or not capable of running Windows 11. When you download an ISO, it'll just be a file with the extension .iso. You can then click on that file, and that will start the installation process. I hope you were able to upgrade your operating system to Windows 11. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and hit the bell button to keep you updated. See you next time. Keep safe everyone.